Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. Today we are looking at Fireboy DML and Ed Sheeran. Okay, for Peru remix. Bro, this is mad. This is madness. Right now, Peru by Fireboy DML. If you haven't seen my top 50 songs of the year, go check it out. Okay, it's an amazing song, clearly, and one of my biggest takeaways from realizing that Ed Sheeran was happy to join Fireboy on the song is that this is just continuously showing that Afrobeats is a global genre right now. We're operating at a global stage. There's too many acts that have just like that, like just world-renowned artists that are in the mix with the genre, and it's nice to see that. This is another point of contact to show that the genre is actually moving. Prior to actually coming out with this song, like everything, there's always some form of resistance. A lot of people were speculating, is this a wise choice of a direction to go with Ed Sheeran? A lot of people have been thinking Ed Sheeran and Fireboy, I could never see these two on the same wavelength. Like, I could never picture Ed Sheeran on a record like this, but it just goes to show that not many people are actually paying attention to Ed Sheeran. If you go to some of his early work, his 2017 album, was it Divided or Divide? Sorry, his 2017 album. There was a song he actually put together called Baby Abe. That was a Ghanaian song with Fuse ODG, and he also mentioned he and Fuse had gone to Ghana for an extended period of time. He lived in Ghana for a while, got to experience the people, experience the culture, and recorded apparently close to 80 songs. Okay, I can't remember what interview it was, but it said he recorded close to 80 songs with Fuse ODG, and they were all in Tree. Like, he was actually like learning and actually like trying to get involved with the Afrobeat, at least with the West African sound and with West African rhythm. Plus, he did this in a fashion that didn't feel exploitative. You can at least sense some form of like actual like interest, vested interest in Afrobeats or the sounds from other parts of the world, trying to learn and expand his horizon and soundscape as a musician as well. So when I saw this feature actually come up, I just knew Ed Sheeran wasn't new to the vibes. You know what I mean? He's not a stranger to the sound, and he was doing it in a time when Afrobeat wasn't a rave of the moment. It wasn't something to hop on. This was 2017, when like I think the best show out we had at that time was potentially like Wizkid's Daddy Yo or Come Closer. So the Afrobeat wasn't like the biggest, or you know what I mean, it wasn't the rave of the moment at that time as compared to today. But it's nice to see how he has basically come back to the sound a little bit, and this is nice. And he had the conversation with Elton John talking about Fireboy. It's insane, man. Insane. Fireboy, a new act that, how many years is it into the game, bro? This is crazy how quickly and how fast the new act actually being able to achieve something that could never be done within the brackets of say 3 years. And it's nice. Not only Fireboy, like we've seen TK, we've seen Thames. Artists are blowing out of the scene with a very, very astonishing pace, and it's just nice to see that, man. This is unheard of. This is one of those things that like people are just growing like way too fast. Just to Fireboy of yesterday is on a freaking song with Ed Sheeran operating in the top of the scene, man, and I'm happy and I'm excited about the feature. Now coming down to the content, I hope this record actually lives up to the excitement that a lot of people have actually placed on this Ed Sheeran feature. I've been seeing the TL as of last night that everyone is excited about it. So anyway, without further ado, let me get right into it. This is Fireboy DML and Ed Sheeran with Peru remix. Let's go. Okay, now they've kind of like repackaged the song because it did feel freestyly in the branding. Obviously, he didn't have so much intention behind the song before it blossomed. Right now, he's not packaging it as Fireboy DML and Ed Sheeran as the original. It kind of like feels like the original now. Now it's not just visualizer, it's an actual proper video. I'm excited, man. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Okay, he went deep into London. Hey, capture my soul. Oh shit, let go. Even Peru done they back. Oh shit, let's go. I'm just vibing, man. At this point, one, hey, hey, right here, crack. This part's crack. I just flew in from Miami. Let's go, Ed. Okay. Hey. Okay. Hey, Ed, relax, my guy, relax. My goodness, how many bars into the song, and this is already sounding very intentional. Like, Ed has always shown that he obviously is a strong writer. Like, that's him in his core, and he actually goes a lot of melodic rap-ish in his singing. Like, his verses are very strong and packed with a lot of like intentionality, and that's what we're already getting on the first jump, man. Let's roll into it, man. Let's roll into it. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. White boy rhythm, I love it, man. Hey, let's go. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice melody on that. Hey. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Push it. Hey. See, look. Ed Yoruba wasn't too bad, man. Oh my god, Nobi. So he actually ate that line too. It was decent pronunciation. I'm not mad at it, man. Yo, he flipped the song. He flipped it. Even Peru done the para. Hey, let's go. Oh, this scenery, I love it, man. This vibes. Done the para. Hey, let's go. Oh man, what a moment we're having here, bro. What a moment. Let's go. Okay, Rina. Let's go. Eh? Oh, addictive song, man. Oof. You can tell Ed really likes this song, bro. You can tell. You can just see it, man. He really loves this song, bro. This is dope. Stellar record, man. Stellar record, man. What a moment, man. What a moment. Fireboy DML. Wow, that was good. I mean, like, it's paining me that they took that second verse away, because that was honestly one of my favorite parts of the record too, because that second verse that was so strong on Waniko's influence. Ed Sheeran actually like took a good amount of real estate on this song. It had a verse that actually even came with its own melodies and feel to the song, and then went into the chorus and then flipped it, and that put some new words to it. That was interesting how he did that, man. I almost felt like Fireboy was like almost non-existent at some point. I was like, when is Fireboy coming back in? Like, this guy actually definitely like wanted to steal the show here. Like, it was nice. It was a wholesome moment. This is only gonna get better for Fireboy. Obviously, he's going to further make a statement on the UK scene. He had a remix. He had a feature with Western, which was good already. Peru was organically building up steam in the UK scene, and Ed Sheeran jumping on this, saying that he loved the song, that he played it constantly, and now you can tell from the excitement that he an intentionality that he poured out on this record that you can definitely tell that this guy actually likes the song. But I mean, I can't blame him, bro. Like, this is a fantastic song, very, very, very addictive, and this is just solid for him, man. Like, Fireboy DML, this is wholesome. This is a new trajectory in his career right now. He's leading up into his third album. Like he said, you know, my third album is loading. But it's nice to see that this is going to build so much buzz around this third album that I'm looking forward to, man. You guys think? I know many people have been having a conversation of Buju's Refix. People are comparing and contrasting Buju on the song and Ed Sheeran on the song. I think it's like, come on. There's so much more to get out of an Ed Sheeran. There's so much more to get out of an Ed Sheeran feature. Musically and when it comes to even the metrics and the brand status of Fireboy, do you know what I mean? Like, it only makes sense. And Buju's Refix was nice, it was cute. But yeah, man, that was my thoughts. Okay, so we came back to record quickly because this was such a huge moment. I had to document it before we go into the holidays. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, definitely check out my top 50 songs of the year. I just put out a video. I just put out my top 50 songs of the year. So definitely go check that out on my Emmanuel Wani channel. I'm gonna leave a card up here somewhere. So definitely go tap in. I have my albums list coming up shortly. I was hoping to make it for Saturday this week, but it might need to push further than that. But regardless, we're still gonna make content around the Emmanuel Wani channel, so definitely go subscribe to that one and hit the notification bell as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.